tomorrow, would you still remember me? I said that for I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. But if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh, 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 and this bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Oh, oh, oh. Lord knows I can change. Oh, that's the next verse, huh?
No. Dang it. I might have got that.
Of course you got that on tape.
No, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. It's like I had it zoomed in and it was like over there.
Oh god, I can't believe I screwed that up. It sounded like it was like getting up tempo like that. Bye bye baby, it's been a sweet love. Yeah, yeah. Though this feeling I can't change. But please don't take it so badly, yeah. 'Cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. But if I stay here with you, girl, be the same. 'Cause I'm as free. And this bird you'll never change. Oh, 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 and the bird you can't. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change. Lord, I can't change. I'm free.